Hey guys, this is Prithvi here from FBC, and today I'm going to show you how existing students can enroll to a new program in IDI. So first off, you will see this page where you will need to choose the course of your choice. In my case, it is security programs. Click on the course name and you will be going to this page where you will see an enroll button for each course of that program. Now choose the course of your choice and then you will be directed to this page where you will find another enroll button down here. When you click on it, it will open up the sign up form, but since you are existing students, you want to log in. So click on the login and enter your username and password. As soon as you enter your username and password, you will be directed to these pages where all the informations will be present beforehand because you have enrolled already. Now when you are on the upload page, you must know that only these file types are acceptable and all of those uploads must be less than 2 MB. Now here comes the most important part where you make the payment. Here when you click on this add your first payment button, you will see this pop-up where you will be able to select your payment method. Select your desired payment method. In my case, it is student loan. My first payment method is a student loan. Now you have to add a second mode of payment because you have to keep adding the modes of payment until you have made the whole payment in full, because payment must be made in full. Here you see it. Now after all your payment information has been entered, click on this submit payment button and you will have a successful enrollment. So this was a video explaining the enrollment process for existing students. Thanks for watching.